Hi, good evening, everybody. First of all, congratulations, Dilkar. Um, I wanted to say a few words about you. Um my first movie I saw was yours was Mahanati, and it was really, really a heart-touching movie for me. I just wanted to ask you one thing. You would have done about 10 to 15 movies by now, 15, 20 movies. Oh, sorry, 30 plus. Out of these 30 movies, what was the most movie that was connecting to your, heart? I mean, there's something which connects to your heart when we act. Actually, I mean, some point of time and when we're acting. So there's one particular movie or one or two movies that it touches your heart. Like I personally felt Mahanati made me almost get tears in my eyes. So you'd have something like that when you're acting.
I think when I first started, I think the one film that changed my life was Ustad Hotel. Ustad Hotel.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
I think it
So
completely transformed my career and my life. So it's a very special film to me.
that's amazing. Thank you. And like Shobita was saying, periodical movie. In my upcoming movie, it's going to release on 19th, and that's a periodical movie. I played a 1980s character in that. Yeah, and that movie, Ram Asur. The title is Ram Asur. So it's going to release on 19th. So I really like, I too like the, characters which are like the periodic and all. So it's a two-phase movie. It's the story revolves around the present and the past. So 2020 and the 1980s. So I really felt, very happy when you saw the trailer and all. I mean, you look amazing in every character that you have seen. I mean, I saw here. It's really good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All the best,
All the
Dilkar.
best. All the best.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సర్దార్ గారు. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు కౌశిక్ గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నామండి.
Good evening, one and all. Thank you for having me here. Dulkar sir, huge fan.
Thank you.
And it's a pleasure to meet you and share the stage with you. And Shobita garu, so proud of you from Telugu girl, from being a Telugu girl, you have made your own way and you have been really an inspiration for a lot of people. And Mammootty గారిని మేము we treat him like a Telugu man because మాకు చాలా క్లోజ్గా తెలుగు సినిమాలు వీ వాచ్డ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ ఫిల్మ్స్ అండ్ ఇంకా యాత్ర చేసి ఇంకా దగ్గర అయ్యారు. సో అండ్ యూ లైక్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ సెడ్ ఆ షాడో నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చి యూ హెవ్ బికమ్ అ సూపర్ స్టార్. సో వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ యూ సార్ అండ్
Thank you.
I hope and wish to work with you sometime soon. And I wish this film a very, very big hit. It becomes a very, very big hit. And trailer is awesome. I loved it. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
And
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
one last thing. I wish my friend Funny all the very best for his first production. All the best, Funny.
Thank you so much, all of you, for joining us on the dais. And Dilkar garu, Shobita garu, once again, many congratulations, Andy. Already song super duper hit అయిపోయాయి. Reach ఏ range లో ఉందో మనం ఈ event లో చూస్తూనే ఉన్నాం.
Hello, Anna. I'm Dheeraj, your brother, and I'm very proud to say that I'm your fan. And I have a collection of all your movies in my days. And how is it possible for you to succeed in all the movies, in all the journals? What is the hidden secret?
I don't think I've succeeded in all my movies.
No, sir. All the movies of whatever you have acted is each movie of different genre. So how is it possible to you to hit each and every movie of each and every genre?
I think my primary job is to be an actor.
Okay.
So it's important that I explore everything.
As a Telugu audience, I want you to promise your further projects to also to be released in Telugu.
We'll try. I mean, I don't know if every project makes it. Thank you. But
From
I don't think every project makes sense to release.
From all the audience and fans of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, we love you, sir.
Thank you. I love you too. Thank you.
That's so sweet of you.
Hello, sir.
Finally.
My name is
We've been noticing your black blazer the whole time.
My name is Immortal, sir. ఈ మూవీ కంపల్సరీ హిట్ అవుతుందని మా అందరికీ తెలుసు, కానీ నేను మా ఫ్రెండ్కి ప్రామిస్ చేశాను డీకుని కలిపిస్తాను, ఆయనతో ఫోటో దిగిపిస్తాను అనేసి. సో ప్లీజ్ ఆమెతో ఒక్కసారి ఫోటో దిగాను సార్, ప్లీజ్ ఒక్కసారి. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ ఫోటోలు దిగుతారు లేని నాకు తెలియదు. నా ఫ్రెండ్ మీరంటే పిచ్చి. ఆ మహానటిలో కీర్తి సురేష్ గారు, నాగేశ్వర గారు వచ్చారని ఈవెంట్ వచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి డీక్యూ వచ్చాడా అంటూనే ఉంది. సో ప్లీజ్ ఒక్క ఫోటో ఈమెతో దిగితే ప్లీజ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hey everybody, this is me Noel. Please like, share and subscribe to Mirror TV.